How to change language in Windows 10. We begin by right-clicking on the Start icon here, down in the left corner, and then we click on Settings. Then we go over and click on Time and Language. And then click on Language over here. And then you click on this section where you can choose the already installed language packages and then select which one you want. You can also choose to add another language if the language you want isn't in this section. But if you want to use English, for instance, then you click on it. And then you would be prompted with this, and you have to sign out for it to work. And that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.